Hi, this is my Philips trimmer and it is not getting charged. So first I suspected, you can check it here. So just connect it here, then you can check it here. It is not glowing here. This means it is not getting charged. So first I suspected this charger is the problem. The charger is a problem. That's why I try to make a charger using USB cable by cutting the one end of the small USB, mini USB, and I made it two wires, and then I connected with the um, refill pieces, using these refill pieces to this charger, to this trimmer. So the time also what happened is it is not getting charged with even with this one. But if you find out using multimeter, it is giving perfect voltage. It is giving around um, mm, it is giving around 5 volts. You can check it here. So it is giving voltage, but still it is not getting a charge using the USB one. So finally I try to open this one. So I have opened the charger, I mean the trimmer. One minute, I should have using any knife or something. You just try to open it. So I just opened the trimmer. You can see here, this is the battery, rechargeable battery, and here if you see here, two pins, two slots are there for getting inserted with these two poles. These two poles, you can see here, these two poles, plus minus, plus minus. So what I have done is I have directly connected these two to this across this resistor. Across this resistor I connected these two USB cable terminals. So it started getting charged. So the first thing I have noticed it is the charger is the trimmer is working fine, and then the battery is getting charged with this USB cable. I tried it because I first time I didn't disconnect it, and I didn't check for this one because it may be getting wasted. So that's why I have used this one. This technique also works in case if your charger gets damaged. So finally what I have tested is I tested with um, so for some time I have charged with USB cable, and then I tested across the battery. I tested the charge. So charge is around, so around 1.4 volts something it is showing. Then what I have suspected is these two slots actually get as widened. That's why these two poles are not connecting properly. So what I have done is, with using tweezer, I have made these two slots little bit closer so that the poles will get tightened, so this will work perfectly. So what I have done, I have just closed it. I just closed it by hardly pressing it here. Then what I have done, I just replaced it with the battery charger. Yeah, I can check it here. Yeah, I can check it here. It is working fine because this is charging. Since this symbol is coming with after connecting this one, so it is getting charged. So sometimes if your trimmer is not working, don't think that your charger is damaged. First you check with your USB cable, and then still it is not getting charged. Don't suspect the charger or USB cable. Try to open using small knife or scissor or any screwdriver the charge trimmer, and then check the slots also, because sometimes when you are putting and removing and opening, slots may get widened. So that's why they poles may not have good contact. So that will give a better that will give you a unchargeable condition. Okay, thank you very much.